Right then, another body shop video, and this is a nice shiny one this time. So the last sort of 3 weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks, this is what Alan and Dave's been working on. Getting this, it looks really nice, but it's not even a show finish. We could spend a bit more time and make it even shiny if we wanted to, but this is like the perfect usable finish for everyday use, and it's turned out really nice. So it's a Golf R. I prefer this shape to the later shape. This is a nice one. Same shape as what our race car is, which is good. So this is pure grey, the same as our recovery truck, which I'm not sure if we mixed a big batch or not, but worked out that these jobs just came in at the same time anyway. We didn't really plan on that. Gone for the black as well. This is actually carbon fibre, but it's been painted black. I liked it when it was carbon, but obviously fits in with theme. Shortened number plate recess. We've chopped that and welded it together and sorted it out, but not stuck it on because I think he wants to leave the front plate off for now, but we'll see. Calipers have been done the same colour as well. Been nice to put some new discs on at the same time, but we didn't get round to that. Smoothed all the textured bits out on the mirrors. The roof's obviously been done black. New aerial that we had to drill out to get that on. And just tons of little bits of touches all over the place just to make it nice. And yeah, just even like in the badge and stuff like that. We've got another badge to go on there that's got a camera in, but we didn't have a chance to get all that sorted. So if you just dropped a sort of nice straight car off for this sort of work, so the two-tone, full colour change, including we've gone into door shuts and stuff like that as well, which has not got the door cards on, but done all the insides and everything, so it's not easy to tell it's had a colour change from the outside. Obviously, under the bonnet is a different story, but if you dropped a car off to do that and it's just got scratches and stone chips and the odd little dent here and there, this is probably, at today's prices, so if you're watching this in 2025, don't quote these prices, probably 5.5, 6 grand's worth of work. There's over 100 hours in this, just in the bodywork side of things. If then you're bringing it with damage, needing filler and repairs and straightening and stuff, then obviously it gets extra, but everybody always asks the price, so we'll put it in this video. This did have, when it came, there's a little bit of, the Mark 6s seem to suffer from it, quite a bit of rust underneath, like the subframes looked a bit tatty and stuff like that, so it came over to here, got the bodywork prepped, and they came over to us, and we put all new suspension, all the bushes, subframes. While the subframes were off, it were all Raptor-lined underneath as well, all black. So it's had absolutely tons of work, loads of bits on the engine, sort of seals that needed replacing and stuff like that. These are getting a bit long in the tooth now and getting to that point. I think we serviced it and did some other bits as well. We've done all sorts of stuff. It's had absolutely tons of work, but we've turned it round in essence 3 weeks. So I don't think we've done too bad. Alan and Dave's done an absolutely awesome job of the paint. You'd be hard pushed to get anybody to say that this couldn't be in a show. So really happy. If you want any paint work done, email us, ring us, do whatever you need to do. Get in touch.